So over here, you can see that I am inside of Microsoft Teams. And what you can also do is you can instantly start a meeting with the members of channel through the Teams right here. So over here, you can see that I have this channel, and I'm just going to go around onto Tutor example. And over here, I'm going to click on Meet right here. So once I do that, I can go around and then change around the settings for my meetings right here. Type in a meeting name and then click join now. And what happens is that the meeting will be started. So over here, you can see that it says invite people to join you. But since you are in a team itself, the invitation will be sent to the other people in that particular team, and they will see a join notification. So once they go around and then join the meeting right here, then they can simply go around and join the meeting. So I'm just going to go around and join from my other account, and this is what you see right here. So there's the guest, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can go around and then message them, and then you can meet them and so forth, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around right here. So you can see the meeting details right over here and so forth. So this is a normal meeting. You can see the participants over here as well, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can start an instant meeting inside of a team channel inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.